Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting and saving to purchase my second Kayali fragrance. I think this is the latest fragrance that they have. Yeah, so I purchased mine from Feel Unique. I also read some notes there. And yeah, my first impression when I received, because I already took out the box, it's just beautiful packaging. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But that's not what we hear about today. I know the box is nice and all, and you know, it's all the same with the other one. My first love, Vanilla Kayali 28. I just want to make sure, I just want to see that this fragrance lives up to here, because if it doesn't, I'm demanding my refund, because this was not cheap. But yeah, I'm opening it for the very first time. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god. So yeah, so is it Kayali Eden Juicy Apple 01. I don't know if it means they got it right the first time. If they did, then that would be like, you know. So at the back they've got the notes. It says it has juicy red apple, wild berries, jasmine, lychee, all the fruits I hate eating. All the fruits I hate eating. It has, this perfume has all the fruits that I hate eating. That I hate this apple. Who is an apple? Well, you should eat an apple, but like I hate eating them. So let's say if I'm gonna like smelling like an apple, like, and it has vanilla. You know I live for vanilla. I live for vanilla flower, like, and then it has the essential mask. Okay. So my ooh, the box is just beautiful, beautiful. Like, that's not what I wanted to do. Like, seriously, why are you ruining my thing? Spoiling my fun. Fake nails. My first impression is just like, beautiful, beautiful. I love the packaging. I just love their packaging. It's just so sweet. So with the vanilla one, because I went all in with the vanilla, like I went all in, I purchased the bigger bottle, which is the 100 mils. Like this is my perfume. But okay, this video is not about this perfume, this is about this perfume. So let's see. So I purchased the 50 mils, purchased mine from Feel Unique here in the UK. Let's try. Let me test these guys, because if it doesn't live up to this, shame, I'll be crying. Like, ready? Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, have you guys, I don't believe in love at first sight, and now I feel like my loyalty has just been tested with this. I feel like this perfume, oh my god, it makes you, it makes me giddy. Like, it makes me happy. Like, it's so, like, the fragrance is so, it's the splash of apples. Like, I know I said I hate them. Like, I don't like eating up. Oh my god, this fragrance is like, it's so pretty. It just, it's very floral, it's very youthy, like it's just like for youth. It makes you feel like young, like it's so seductive. It's seductive, guys. Like, this perfume is, it's bold. It is bold. Like I don't I've been tested. My loyalty to my vanilla 28 is been tested by this. So I love this perfume. Like, oh my god. Like, it's the apples. It's, you can, at the end when it dries down, you definitely can smell the vanilla musk that it has, and the leech. Like, mm, like, it brings out the youthful. Like, it's just youthful. It's just so bold. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. I don't know. Like, you know me with describing perfumes. Just take my word for it. Just buy it. Just take. Like, it's so beautiful, guys. It really is. It's just, and I'm not saying it because for the sake of saying it. Like, seriously, I really thought that this is my die hard. Like, this is my die hard perfume. Like, this, I mean, like my ride or die. I love it. But let's see if I combo it, if I layer it. Oh my god. Can you layer this with this too? Oh my god. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay? I don't care. Like, oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, it dies down so good. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. So if you have these two together, please combo them together. And oh my god, I smell like a snack. I smell like a snack. Like I smell like a snack. Like, I love them. And I'm not just saying because I love the Huda products anyway. I'm just saying this is it. Yeah, I love this one, yes. Oh my god, I love this one. I love my vanilla. Like, like, this is my perfume. But this is beautiful. This is just floral. It's seductive. It's bold. It's youthful. It's just amazing. I love it. I love it. Like, I'm gonna put the link down below, so if you want to check it out, please do. Like, I recommend it 100%. As much as I recommended this one, I recommend both of them. These are the two Kayali products that I have, perfumes that I have so far. I'm still trying to, save some coins and get some more. The one I want to get, the one that she wore on her wedding. She looked beautiful, by the way. I thought that if that's the perfume that she wore, I just want to get that as well and just try to see. But so far, I'm not disappointed with the first two that I've gotten. I bought them. I'm not disappointed. Like, I'm not disappointed at all. But yeah, just get yourself this fragrance, this one. If you can invest on a perfume, this one I recommend 100%. It's beautiful, it's lovely. I know that on the previous one I recommended this one. Please, I do recommend it as well. It's beautiful. Like, her perfumes, like, they are just so like, anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. So thank you so much for watching my it made me drunk, made me beautiful, and drunk. Like I feel beautiful. Like I feel beautiful. Okay, I'm beautiful with this perfume. Like I feel complete. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, my video, and make sure you subscribe, you like the channel, and yeah, do all that shende, honey. So I'll see you on my next video, but I'm just gonna go enjoy my perfumes. Bye bye.